Hey, my name's Zopa, and I'm going to be doing a guide on how to set up a node for ordinals on Bitcoin Core. First things first, I want to start out by saying that I'm pretty new to the Bitcoin blockchain. I just started recently playing around with it less than a couple days ago. So obviously this guide might not be perfect, but I will do my best to help everyone who is having struggles setting up their own node. Before you even install Bitcoin Core, you want to make sure that the system that you choose to run it on meets the requirements. The biggest one being disk space, 350 plus 340. I personally went with 1 terabyte just to be safe. Download and upload, not too big of a problem. Memory, pretty low. And then here's just some examples and operating system that you could go with. After making sure that your system has the correct specs, we can then move on to the official guide. So, as a document here, first things first, you have to actually install Bitcoin Core. So, it's really as simple as just going on here, going to the download page, and downloading it from here. After going through the quick Bitcoin Core installation process, your node should begin syncing. Please wait until your node is 100% synced and then come back to this video. After your node has completed syncing, you should see something like this on your computer. Once you see this, that's when you know you are good to begin. The first problem that some people run into is when they try to run this initial command. So I will copy this and I will open CMD, and you'll basically see that when I try to run it, I will get an error. So first things first, we have to fix this, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. First, open up File Explorer, go to this PC, System Drive, Program Files, and then Bitcoin, and then this very top one, daemon, and then you're going to copy this path up here. So you just click it, Control C. After you've copied the path, go to the search bar at the bottom, and then look up environment variables. So it should be this one for your account, and you click it. And then down here in system variables, you want to double click on path, then hit new, Control V, and then OK, and OK. Now, when we go to CMD and run the same command here, if you did it properly, it should show this information. Now that we've got that out of the way, we can continue with the rest of the steps. By default, this step should be already done, but if you need to check, you can just go to Program Files, Bitcoin, and just look in this file right here. So you'll double click it and you can open it in Notepad. But of course, by default, it should be okay. If you do run into any issues with that, you can go look following those steps. Once you get to this step, make sure to close out the Bitcoin Core application, as from here on out, we will be running it from CMD. From here, we're going to open up a CMD and sync the blockchain. So you should be able to just paste it in here, and it should run all of this with no problem. Once that is complete, you can open up another CMD window and just paste this, and it should return the current block. Now that we have our node properly synced, we can begin to install Ord. The easiest way I found to do this was to go to the releases page, click on your respective operating system, open the file, and then just extract it. Then we'll take another File Explorer page, just go with this one right here, and open this PC, Program Files, and Bitcoin, daemon again, and drag all of this in there, just like that. After that is done, to check and make sure ordinals was installed properly, open up another CMD window, and copy this command right here. Paste, and there we go. And then finally, it's time to create our official ordinals wallet. So to do that, just copy this command right here, go to your CMD window, and just paste it in. Now, please keep in mind what is going to be shown on screen now is obviously blurred out, but please make sure not to share this with anyone. Keep this very private, keep it secure. I suggest maybe writing it down on a piece of paper, but this is your private key to access everything on your main ordinals wallet. Now you can start doing things like sending sats to your wallet. To do that, just copy this command here, paste it in your CMD window, and you will be given a wallet to send sats to. This is to fund your transactions and pay for the fees that are needed on the Bitcoin blockchain. along with that, you can see any pending transactions with the second command by just copying it and pasting it into the CMD window. Of course, we don't have any, so nothing shows up, but there you go. And that about wraps it up. If you have any specific questions, go to the official Ordinals Discord linked on screen now. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.